Hi everyone, so if you're wondering how to send a crypto to your PayPal account, then you've come to the right video. By the way, welcome to Tutorials by David. So, now that PayPal users can now transfer and receive Bitcoin or crypto in like other accounts, then here's how to send crypto to your PayPal account. First, to transfer PayPal, go to your crypto hub within your PayPal account, select the cryptocurrency you want to receive, and then copy your unique PayPal crypto wallet address to send from an external wallet. After the transfer is complete, you'll need to enable your external transfers through additional verification. So here are the steps. You want to log in and complete your verification, ensure your PayPal account is verified, and you've completed any additional verification step required for crypto transfer. Next up is you want to access the Crypto Hub. Navigate to the Finances or Crypto section of your PayPal account and then select Receive. Choose the option to receive crypto within the hub and then choose the cryptocurrency, whether Bitcoin, Ethereum, or PayPal USD. Next is get your wallet address. Your unique crypto wallet address and a QR code will be displayed. Copy this address and then open your external crypto wallet and then from another exchange like BitGet or a separate wallet and start the send or withdraw process. Paste the address and then paste your PayPal crypto address as the recipient and select the correct cryptocurrency. Confirm the transaction and then enter the amount you want to transfer and review the details before confirming your transaction.